Good day, sir. My name is Josh Kentalin Espagador from BSAR 103. This is my problem solving, sir, na sa katong problem nga imong gihatag, sir. So first, sir, is magbasa ta sa problem. You and your partner own a cafe that serves two types of drinks, the red drinks and green drinks. And how many cups of each drinks should be sold to minimize cost while still meeting the daily requirements? Ang kini po, sir, ang X is the number of red drinks, and the Y po, sir, is diha po ang number of green drinks, and the objective minimize C equals 15x plus 18.50y, subject to nutritional requirements. The requirements there is red drink. The requirements is calories, vitamin A, and vitamin B. The red drinks in calories is 60x, and the green drinks is 60y, and the minimum needs is greater than equals 300. And the vitamin A, sir, sa requirements is, and the red drinks is 60x, and the green drinks is 12y, and the minimum needs for vitamin A is greater than equal 36. And the last, sir, sa requirements ang vitamin B. Ang sa vitamin B sa red drinks is ang 30x, and sa green drinks is 10y. And the minimum need sa vitamin B is ang greater than equal 90. So ato nang i-solve ang sa calories, sir. So ang sa calories is muni ang 60x plus 60y greater than equal 300. And basin, sir, matingala ko, sir, nganong asa nila ko ang 5. Dili na ko ang 5 sa 30 divide 60. Muni ang 5 nga answer, sir. Muni ang x plus y greater than equal 5. So number 2 po, sir, is ang vitamin A. Ang vitamin A, sir, is ang 6x plus 2y greater than equal 36. So masin matingala po ka, sir, nganong asa ni gikan ang 6. Ang 6 is gidivide na ko ni siya gikan sa 36 divided by 6 equals 6. So muni ang answer sa vitamin A, sir, ang x plus 2y and greater than equal 6. At sa number 3 po, sir, is vitamin B. The vitamin B, sir, is ang 30x plus 10y greater than equal 90, and 3x plus y is greater than equal to 9. And masin po, sir, matingala ka, sir, kung asan ni siya gikan, sir, ang 9. Asan na ako nakuha ang 90? Dili na ako nakuha ang 90, sir. Ang 90 sa akong times ang 30 times 10 ay dili 30 times wait lang, ano po, sir, balik to, sir, is kini ang 30x plus 10y is greater than equal 90, and 3x plus y is greater than equal 9. And basin po natin nga ka, sir, kung anong asa na ikan ang 3x. Dili na ko, sir, sa ako ni siyang divide ang 30 divide 10 muni ang 3x, and the final answer, sir, is ang 3x plus y and greater than equal 9 muni sa vitamin B, sir. As an intersection, sir, is ang x plus y equals 5, and 2x plus y is equal 6. And isolve na to, sir, sa point A, sir. x plus y equals 5 minus 0 x equals 5 minus y, and 5 minus y plus 24 equals 2y equals 6, and y equals 1, and x equals 4, and the point is sir is ang 4 and 1, and sa point b naman sir is ang x plus y equals 3, and 3x plus y is equal to 9, and subtract 3x plus y minus x plus y is equal to 9 minus 5, and the 2x equals 4x equals 2y is equal to 3, and the point b sir is ang 2 and 3, and sa point c naman sir is ang muna ang x plus 2y equals 6, and 3x plus y is equal 9, and substitute the y 6 minus x, 3x minus plus x minus 6 minus x equals 9, and 2x plus 6 equals 9, and x equals 1.5 is 1.5y equals 2.25, and the point c sir is ang 1.5 and 2.25, and sa total cost nun sir is total cost for each corner. Ang point is sir is muni ang cost ang x and y and 4 and 1. Ang cost sir is ang 5x plus 18.5 y, and 60 plus 18.5 equals 78.50 pesos, and the 30 plus 55.5 equals 85.50 pesos, and the 22.5 plus 41.625 is equals to 64.123 sir, and the final answer sir is ang value sa x is 1.5 cups of red rings, and the values naman sa y is ang 2.25 cups of green drinks, and the minimum cost is 64.13 pesos. Thank you sir.